Hi, my name is Alan from Crashtest Security, and today I will explain what a cross-site request forgery is. This type of attack is also known as CSRF or XSRF, cross-site reference forgery, hostile linking, and more. It allows an attacker to carry out requests within an application where a user is currently logged in. It is cross-site or cross-origin because it uses different websites or elements to interfere, which means to send requests within an application that originate from outside of the application. A CSRF sends an HTTP request whenever a user opens a website containing malicious code to achieve its aim. The code is embedded, so no further actions by the user are required. This kind of attack is widely used in spam emails. The attack starts without the user's knowledge and forges actions by clicking on a malicious URL. The HTTP request sent without the user's knowledge may access, modify, or delete sensitive data. While CSRF attacks mainly occur through users' browsers, any file that allows scripting, including Word and XML documents, RSS feeds, and more can effectively execute them. Now we talked about what the CSRF attack is, but we should also mention what kind of impact this threat has. The impact of a CSRF attack depends on the targeted user and their privileges within an application. For the average user, a successful CSRF attack will typically introduce state-changing requests, such as their password or email address being changed, their funds being transferred to another account, or purchases being made with their credentials. If a user with higher privileges, such as an administrative account, is successfully targeted, a CSRF may result in a full-blown system compromise. This is because such an account can submit requests for a different order. Maybe you're also asking yourself, are cross-site request forgery and cross-site scripting the same? The answer is no. Even though CSRF and XSS are common JavaScript vulnerabilities and can be used in concert, they're still different types of attacks. For CSRF to work, the user must currently be authenticated in an application through which the attacker can then send a request. It is considered a one-way attack because requests can only be shipped with CSRF but not received. This attack exploits the trust that an application or website has for the user. On the other hand, XSS does not require authentication, but only for the user to visit a particular website on which the XSS script is then executed within the user's browser. Because it allows for requests to both be sent and received, it is considered a two-way attack or vulnerability. This attack exploits the trust that a user has in the website. Subscribe to the Crashtest Security channel to get more information about the most significant web security threats, their prevention, and how to use the Crashtest Security Suite. Thank you for listening, and see you in our next video.